Forging Friendships Season 2 is sponsored by Iron Mountain Metalcraft, located in the beautiful Pigeon Forge, Tennessee area. Go forge a memory with Forged in Fire fan favorite Robbie Bowman.
Woo!
Season 2 is also sponsored by Oklahoma Knife Group, Black Dragon Forge, Paragon Kilns, Honest Aloe, Jantz, and by viewers like you, link in description.
All right, my name is Chris Dickenson, customer service. I've been here almost 20 years. I answer phones, I type in orders, I wait on our walk-in customers in the showroom. We have a lot of fun out there, so you need to come see me. Occasionally, when a customer comes in, they could be a little on the bad mood side, and they're not really sure what it is they want. My job is to figure it out for them and get them what they need, steer them in the right direction, and turn that day around. Instead of them being grumpy when they leave, they're actually pretty happy when they go out the door. I have had some people that I didn't think would ever come back, just to come back and bring me a little gift, which is always a fun surprise. Not necessary, but it's great when I get it. We've had the yard sale basically outside, where we've taken things and just set it outside, waiting on customers to come, and we wait on them outside. We don't do that very often, but every now and again, that's a lot of fun. When I come in the mornings, the first thing is to get ready for basically the start of the day, towards the end of the day. It's phone calls, typing in orders, helping the customers solve their problems, their issues, whatever they're having a problem with. I look forward to customers coming in the door, because you never know what that's going to hold as far as what they need, what their ideas are, get them taken care of, make them happy, wait on the next person that comes in the door, continue answering the phone, stocking it when I need to, work it to the end of the day. And I'm always happy when it's a busy, busy walk-in day. When I first started here, there were a total of 7 of us, and we've grown a lot over 20 years, which we needed to, and we're expanding. It's kind of hard to describe 20 years of your life in one place that you like to come to every day. But it's like being at home. Everybody's family. We all work together, and I love them all.